Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel, a channel for creative teachers who like using games in their classroom and who are looking for new innovative ways of teaching. Welcome! I'm getting ready for Halloween. Look, a spider, a scar. So today I would like to share with you one of my favorite games for revising numbers, directions, and having Halloween fun. And the name of this game is Sticky Hands and Spooky Spiders. It's better to play it with kindergarten kids, with a group from 10 to 25 students. To play the game, you will need a box, scissors, and some sticky tape. To begin with, print out or draw 10 or 15 spiders on cardboard. Put over them several layers of sticky tape for protection. Don't forget to do it for the other side too. After that, cut out spider flashcards. Divide your students into 2 teams and put a desk with a box in front of every team. This is how it looks like. Team A, Team B, 2 desks with a box. Ask all players to sit down and choose one player from every team to start the game. Close their eyes with a scarf. Make a sticky hand. Put several layers of sticky tape around the hand so that the student could not move the fingers. If you don't want to spend too much time on putting several layers of sticky tape around your student's hand, you can make a sticky glove. You see, it's really sticky and you can easily take it off and put it on when necessary. In my ebooks, you can find more ideas, games, teaching tips and activities for all ages. Kindergarten, school, online lessons, lessons with adults. So don't forget, click on the link or check the link in the description box. When everything is ready, put 2 or 3 spiders on every desk and explain to the students who are standing with their eyes closed that their task is to listen to their friends' directions and collect all the spiders with their sticky hand, and they have only 1 minute. But the problem is that their eyes will be closed with a blindfold. So, their friends who are sitting can help the student by giving directions. They can say up, down, right, left, go forward, go backward, and then when the hand is right above the spider, they should shout, stick! When the spider is on the hand, the team members can take it and put it into the box. This player can continue listening to the friend's directions and collecting spiders until 1 minute is over. After that, choose 2 other players, close their eyes with a scarf, and add a few more spiders on the desk. If the group is large, you can ask 4 students at a time to play the games, 2 students from every team. In this case, for example, boys can give directions to one player and girls to the other. When everybody has played, ask students to count the spiders in the box all together to revise numbers from 1 to 10 or from 1 to 12. Who's got more spiders is the winner. To add more fun and excitement to this game, you can cheat during the calculations like I did in this video. Watch it. Usually it's a lot of fun. It can be noisy, but it's Halloween after all. That's all for today. Happy Halloween! Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and check the link in the description box to download my books with ESL games and activities for different levels: kindergarten, school, for online lessons, for teaching adults. I love you, wish you good luck. See you again on my channel ESL Games and Teaching Tips with me, Jenny White. Bye!